Hello everyone, I'm Neelam Kadyan and we are back again here guys. In the previous videos I told you that what are the best ways to learn this language, which is a foreign language, and that is English. As we know that in our India we have our mother tongue, the first language, and the second one is the English language. And guys, we can call the English language as a window on the world, because this is that language by which we can go through any of the country's literature and the knowledgeable books. So guys, it is a language that is of much importance and very significant to learn if we want to equip us with the knowledge of the around the world. Then there is a need, if you want to make ourselves respectable in the society, we want to sit among those people who are really very aristocratic. So there is a need to learn English, how we can speak well English. Okay students, it's not so difficult. In the previous videos I also try to motivate you that it's not so difficult task that we can't handle it up. Okay students, start our journey towards the mastering the language, that how we can become the master of this language. Guys, I have my own example. I'm not saying that I'm so well versed and so fluent in English, but at least I'm much satisfied whatever I gain in my life. Okay, because even you will be surprised to know that even I start learning this language in the 6th standard. Fortunately and unfortunately, I'm an English teacher. So guys, from my inspiration, from the inspiration which I got in my life, I want to tell you some of the steps by which you can also become at least that speaker. At least you can stand among those people who are conversing with the English. Okay students, let's start our journey, that how to start this journey towards the mastering the language. No one is perfect in this world. I'm not saying that within 6 months, within 1 year you will be the master. No, everything takes time students. Okay, everything takes time. So you need to have patience and the courage, and with that motivation also, which will always inspire you to learn something new daily. So what is the language? First we have to know that what is the language. Language is that which is a combination of the sounds. Sounds combine into the words, words combine into sentences, and sentences combined into the speech. So this conversion make a language. As we know, we can take our example when we were children, or maybe you have seen any child in your background. He starts speaking first sounds pa, ba, ta. These are the sounds which he or she normally starts speaking. Then he start combining those sounds into words, and then words into the sentences, and then sentence become the speech of that baby. Okay students, in the same way, language is not that will automatically come to you, because it is a foreign language. So we need to do hard efforts for learning it. So here we can start our journey, that how in the previous video I told you the magical steps by which you can motivate yourself. I give one video also to you for you all, so that you can inspire, you can feel motivated, and then you take up this task that I have to do this. Okay, what is language? So as I told you that this is a way of express ourselves, our ideas, our emotions, our thoughts. We can share with the one another and the other peoples. Okay, combination of science. What is language? If formally we want to elaborate it, we want to define it, this can be a combination of science and the art. How it can be considered as a science and how it can be considered as an art. Science depend on the basic of principles, set of rules and the principle. In the same way, language means the grammar, which is the set of rules and the principles. And art, because we can acquire the language, we can learn any language through practice only, and art needs practice, isn't it? Okay, simply take some of the basic ideas of grammar you must grab students for learning this language, because this is second language for us. This is a foreign language, so we need to do at least some efforts, and for those efforts we should start with the basic ideas of rules. Means you have to converse with the grammar. Then next one is, this will be a scientific study. If you will go side by side with the grammar rules, students, I have recorded many videos regarding grammar also. So you can watch easily, you can find those videos, and I'm still making efforts for providing my students, my viewers, those videos by which they can get benefit. Okay students, so you must watch those videos. Then first of all, scientific study means you have to follow the pattern of rules, or you have to learn at least grammar, okay, at some extent, and gradually you will be habitual for learning this language and understanding the rules and the basic concepts of grammar. Then through practice, you can improve your English through practice also. As I told you that this is an art also. Then what you need for these, if you are ready to learn the grammar also, if you are ready to do practice also, then what you need then? What you need? Science is that which erect the structure, or the building, and unless we do not know the rules and the ideas of erecting a building or the house, then can it be possible? No, it's not possible. That's why there is the need to follow some of the pattern of the grammar. You have to start with the grammar. Grammar तो आपको बच्चे सीखनी पड़ेगी. Then what do you need? You need only that house which is only made up of bare brick and the mortar. Simply not, I think, because we only do it's not possible that we need house only. We need house also, but it should be beautiful as well, isn't it? Everyone wants that our house should be so beautiful that it can attract the eye of the viewers, and it's a beautiful place to live in where we can feel satisfied. In the same way, for learning this language, for mastering this language, you have to contact with some set of the rules so that you can speak fluently and you can speak correctly also. Okay students, so you need to make your language beautiful, and so what will you do then? You need interior design. If you want to make your house beautiful, you need what? You need interior designer. And who is that interior designer? Maybe yourself. You yourself may be the interior designer of your house, isn't it student? So you may hire any guide, you may take spot of your teacher, or you may contact to any expert for learning this language. And if you will consider, I am also here for paving a way for you on which you can tread and you can learn this language slowly. Okay, because slowly we you always remember that story of the tortoise and the hare. If you are slowly and steady, then definitely you will win the race. Okay, so be ready for win this race. Don't let yourself at the back foot. Always bring yourself at the front foot, student. So similarly in language, art is a major role has to play. And what is art? Suppose you want to learn music. Okay, you want to learn music. Then what you have to do? You need to attend some concerts. You need to develop your taste. You have to listen recordings. Then you will build up a taste in yourself that which kind of music do you like most. And then what? Art needs practice. So on the basis of the recordings, on the basis of the concerts, and then you will need guide that who will teach you how to play music, which kind of music suits you, and then under his guidance you will go on practice. And after many years of the practice, after the months of the practice, you will feel satisfied. Yes, now I learned something, now I can perform. Okay, the same is with this language, students. Okay, this is, you can say that this is an art, and art needs practice. And what kind of practice you need for learning a language? LSRW. L means listening. L means listening, as we know that from our day one, since we took birth, we start listening. Very newborn baby start listening. Up to when he is not 2 years, 3 years old, his listening practice is going on. And that's why whenever he starts speaking, then automatically he starts speaking that language in which environment he has been brought up, means which language his parents are speaking. So that was his listening practice. He has done a lot of listening practice, then he starts speaking, then reading. Then we prepare the child for the reading. A for apple and B for boy. So these are the things we have to follow this pattern. First of all, do listening practice. Listening, you can watch those videos, those movies, because these days even Hindi movies play a very beautiful role for the learners of English language, because 30%, at least 30% dialogues are in English. So try to grab, try to hold on those dialogues. Okay, those are the dialogues which we normally use in our normal communication, normal conversation. So you need to grab, you make your hold on those sentences. So that is listening practice, and try to make your hold on those dialogues, try to revise them again, then start speaking. Okay, whenever you will start speaking, then develop your habit for reading. And reading, what kind of reading you need to do, it's the big question for you guys. And after then writing, it's okay, you will write, that is the last thing. It's okay, maybe you are in the habit of writing, but here we are talking about learning a language, or when you can express your ideas, your thoughts in a fluent way. So the ideal way is practice, and practice on this pattern, student. LSRW. First, do sufficient listening practice. Anyhow, listen English news, listen English stories, watch English movies, listen English recordings. So with which you are comfortable, choose that way. In the previous video I told you that choose that way which please you the most. Okay, and then start speaking wherever you are comfortable, with your peer group, with your friends, with your parents, with your sister and brother, with your teachers, wherever you feel comfortable, then start speaking. Okay, and when you will start speaking, obviously you will get confidence in yourself, and then it will be your spoken practice. Then reading for making your language much better, for making your language much better. Just like your house, you want it beautiful as well, ब्यूटीफुल एज वेल. आप अपनी लैंग्वेज को अच्छी तो बनाई, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी बनाना चाहते हो, देन यू नीड reading material. Now it depends on you that read what kind of material you want to read. It's depend on you guys, that what kind of reading material interests you. It totally depend on that what interests you. I will suggest you that you should always start with that material which interests you. Suppose you are interested in stories, then start short stories. You will get pattern there, you will get new words there, it will increase your vocabulary. And then slowly you can take somewhat difficult reading, like editorial you can take novel for reading, you can take the voluminous book. Okay, but I will suggest you, this is a suggestion from my side, student, that don't start with the voluminous student. You can start with those books which are books written for the children. So slowly you can grow your interest. आप अपना इंटरेस्ट धीरे धीरे बढ़ाइए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट विद द सिंपल, एंड देन यू मे continue your journey towards the difficult one. So this is the best way for making or improving your English language, students. So I have paved a way for you, and it's my request to all of you that start your journey, start reading on this path. Okay, in this way, start listening practice, start reading practice, spoken practice. Don't hesitate, don't think that what the others will think if I'll start speaking. Start those expressions, students, with this. In the starting you can start like, really, oh, may I help you, come here please, okay, sit down please, can you help me. So these are the very simple expression by which you can start, and at the end of the day you will find in yourself that you have built up your confidence. So in such way you can start your listening practice, you can start your speaking practice, and then reading material. There is a lot of reading material in this world, so it depends on you what kind of material you choose. I will suggest you, then don't start with the voluminous books, you should start with the very simple. If you want to ask, you can start R.K. Narayan's novels, because his context is Indian. He wrote normally in very simple language, and then whenever you think that yes, now I can start that difficult books also, then you should move towards that. So students, let's start our journey from here, that how we can be well versed in the English. So first of all, watch these 3 videos for starting our journey towards the English language. I have recorded many of the videos for the English grammar, the set of rules. Do practice. Okay dear guys, good luck, and subscribe this channel if you like these videos, if you are feeling motivation. If you are somewhere get inspiration from my side, then watch these videos, share with your friends, like these videos, and subscribe our channel. It's not our channel dear, it's your channel. Good luck.